Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by creating a frame sized for your graph, 1200 by 800 recommended, so spacing is predictable. Then paste your dataset or import a CSV into a text layer so you can reference exact values. This avoids eyeballing. Once done, enable an 8px layout grid to align axes and bars precisely. You're not setting styles yet. You're creating a reliable canvas and clean numeric source, so every subsequent step is consistent and fast. Next, draw the X and Y axes using 1px strokes and snap them to the grid so ticks align perfectly. This creates readable scales. Then convert values into visual marks. Create rectangles for bar heights or path strokes for line points, calculating pixel height from your data range so proportions are accurate. After that, group related marks with auto layout to make spacing responsive. This makes it easy to update values and preserves alignment when you change frame size or add labels. Finish by adding tick values, axis labels, and a concise legend using 12 to 14px type so clarity is maintained. Then apply styling, consistent color tokens, muted grid lines at 60% opacity, and stronger contrast for highlighted series at about 1.5 times visual emphasis. Once styled, make sure text layers are left/top aligned to marks. If things go wrong, check group constraints, grid settings, and whether pixel rounding shifted dimensions. Fixing those restores precise alignment immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.